Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do just a quick haul video of the November 2022 HSN Craft Day. So starting off, of course, I purchased the template library from Crafter's Companion. If you've seen my last few videos, I've kind of mentioned that I wanted to get a little bit more into concept cards, and as she kind of walked through some of these designs, it seemed like they were not that difficult to do. So I ordered this. It comes with so many designs. I can't even imagine that every month you will get this many, but I don't know if it's just like the book seems thick, but there are just so many in here. And I didn't realize that this was gonna be so big. This is like a 12 by 12 piece of paper. So yeah, these are great. I have a couple of days off of work coming up, and I am going to walk through as many as I can. I know there is a person on Instagram, the Craft Doctor, Shaniva Early, I think. Like her a lot. Highly recommend checking out her videos. One time she walked through, I think, the whole year of craft, and so that was pretty cool, but I don't know that I'm going to be able to do that. So it comes with the recipe card, the templates, and also some dies. So let's take a look at some of the other things that I purchased. This Anna Griffin Thankfulness paper crafting kit. So it has 12 by 12 cardstock, some 5 by 7 cardstock, embellishments, and sentiments. I think I picked this out of the special sale, the secret sale. So that is this kit here. Then, like I need more cardstock, I purchased the Anna Griffin Luxury Matte Foil Cardstock. And the reason I purchased this was because of the auto ship, really. I just kind of wanted the rest of the colors that come throughout the year. But Anna Griffin's cardstock is pretty nice. All cardstock is nice. I'm kind of a paper junkie anyways. Always have been. So, some pretty colors. This is a color, no, that copper I've seen before. Yeah. So we have that. Looking forward to the auto ship. So this is the folding screen slim line dies. Now I purchased the Crafter's Companion version on the birthday week sale, and I think it was like $20 or something, and it came with all of the attachments. This one was a little more, but I'm interested in trying out both sets. I do like the ornateness of the Anna Griffin versions, and this panel seems like that's going to be nice too. And she always comes with inspiration. Okay, I purchased this also from the secret sale. This is the Village Church stencil and the Thatched Cottage. So the cottage is the one that I was most interested in. And it was like, I think $11 for both of them. So, you know, nothing too exorbitant, just something nice that I'd like to try. There, just wanted to adjust my zoom. So then it comes with the elements. So let's see, this is the template, and then these are the dies to decorate it. And then there's this church and steeple, which I suppose if you leave the cross off, it's just a pretty pointy building. It could even be a lighthouse if you decorate it the way that you want it. Next, I have the Anna Griffin diorama card. So this is something that I actually saw on Anna Griffin's product preview, and I really wanted it. It was something that I made a note of, and I just kept remembering it was something that cost $56 that I really wanted. So I kind of learned about these when I was in Anna Griffin's Create. I think it was Create 7. It was the one that she did earlier this year in May. So we kind of learned how to do these folds on our scrapbook pages, and I would much rather have the die that does the scoring for me, and now I do. So looking forward to that. And then this was also from the secret sale. This is called the Ornate Floral Embellishments. So 3 sentiments. And then some different embellishments. You have some flowers, leaves, some trims. And then finally ornate floral. So this is a nice trim. So it's 4 pieces. So this is probably 1, 2, 3. And then okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then don't ask me why, but I'm just not even gonna say anything. It's just cute. Just don't even ask me why. And then last but not least, I got the Wisteria Collection. So now this collection is actually going to be available on Crafters Companion's website on November 21st. Corinne did a preview of it, but I just went ahead and picked it up on HSN. Hopefully, I didn't go back and look at the first look video to compare the elements. So maybe they're the same, maybe they're different, I'm not sure. But what I do know is that my Crafters Companion, when I order Crafters Companion from HSN, it comes a lot faster than when I order it from Crafters Companion because it's coming from the UK. No diss at all. I love Crafters Companion. So these are the elements that come with it. This is a decoupage pad. Get some stamps. You get your foam flowers. This is the stencil and embossing folder so that you can create this trellis. I really like that they're putting the stencils in because I'm not that, I can't color that well. And then this is some new technology, I suppose. Petal powder. They demonstrated it on the first look on Crafters TV, but I wasn't paying that close attention. Ideal for adding details to flowers. So we'll have to test that out. And then last but not least, 3 different colors of foam for the Wisteria Collection. So again, I will be doing individual videos on all of this stuff at some point in time. So please just stick around for those. And if you enjoyed this quick haul video from HSN November 2022 Craft Day, please like, subscribe, hit the notifications button, share the video, tell a friend. Thank you. It's just Crafty Chantel.